Hey everyone, if you are an iPhone user, you may have come across a situation where every time you try to download an app from the App Store, a prompt appears on your screen asking for permission to download the app. This feature is useful for families with children or users who want to have more control over app purchases and downloads. However, if you want to turn off Ask Permission to Download app on App Store, in this video I'll show you how you can do that. But before we start with the steps, one thing to notice that if you are the family organizer or family sharing, then only you have the ability to quickly disable this setting. Now let's get started. Go to settings on your phone, tap on your name at the top. This is where you can manage all your family related settings, including sharing app purchases, subscriptions, and more. Here you'll see a list of all the family members who are linked to your Apple ID account. Find and tap on the name of the family member whose download permissions you want to modify. Then tap on Purchases. Now turn the toggle off for Require Purchase Approval. Once you disable this, they will no longer receive the Ask Permission pop-up when trying to download an app from the App Store. So that's it. If you still face any issues, do let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.